Everyone, Jacqueline here. If you're looking for cold hardy roses that are in a peach or an orange color, look no further than Chinook Sunrise, and the flowers are going to be a peachy orange, or the oh so easy Hot Paprika by Proven Winners. These two are standouts in the garden for a peachy orange color. They look good with the Dalmatian peach foxglove, and they look beautiful with white. I found these at Home Hardware here in Emerald Park. So look around, now's the time to get them if you're looking for them. They are hardy in a zone 3, 4, really tough grows and beautiful. They bloom all summer. And then we have all these petunias. Look at all the color. If you love pinks and purples, wow, these are beautiful. These are the rose ones. These are purples, more of a royal purple. I really like these ones in particular to put with purples. Look at that center. And these are Pitcoa, Super Cal, Super Color, anywhere. Look at that. Okay, and here we have perennial creeping Jenny. We have all sorts of different verbenas in here. This one in particular is stunning. This is the bicolor rose. Then we have the compact red. We have the diamond mountain here if you like the frilly light white in your containers to make them pop. Down here we have flowering kale in the white and the purples, and it looks like the pink here. And these, I think, are all around $4.85. And over here we have Snowstorm, Giant Snowflake, another nice trailer for the container. Nemesia. This is the lemonade version. Then, of course, we have Super Bells in here. Lots of Super Bells, all different types. Color Blaze, Lime, Coleus, Super Bells, Ruby, Super Bells, Lemon Slice. This is Super Bells, Tropical Sunrise here. We have another Super Bell here, and this is Double Vintage Coral, and you can kind of see what you're getting with that. We have Gerbers here. Lots of Gerbers. If you're looking for Labella, which I am not, right there. We have the dark blue, or the royal blue, and we have the light blue. Angel Face White. Great in containers. We have some petunias here. These are the persimmon. I like the persimmon. I like the yellow center on them. Then we have fuchsias, and this is the bright red. We have some marigolds up here. We have a really good variety of plants in this greenhouse here. Down here we have, these are the Pitcoa Envy Red. Look at the color on those. They really stand out. And I actually like them next to the Raspberry Stream Elysium. Look at that. Don't they look nice together? And then we have Impatiens here. Sun Impatiens, New Guinea Impatiens, you get the gift. And Archangel, purple. And I'm just gonna flip around here. And these are the perennials. I'll go to the end here and we'll start with those. So we have Ruffled Velvet Siberian Irises. These are all running about $15.95, $16. You can see your Dulce Wild Berry, $16.99. Peonies, these are just a double pink. We have a Stilby in the back. We have a bearded iris there. It's Indian Chief. You can get an idea of the color. Lots of sedums in here. Some cherry tart. I like the Artemisia. These are great in the garden, and these are priced at, because I actually do need some of these. These are $8.99. So I might come back and get 3 of those to run along an edge, just to give that pop of silver in the garden. Oriental poppies and the orange. A little visions of a stilby. Fruit punch. Dianthus. Dulce toffee tart. We have Prairie Wind Cheyenne Sky. Lots of grasses in here. This is a cute hosta here. This is Dancing with the Dragons. Isn't that sweet? Oh, and then we have periwinkles. Snow in summer. This is what I want right here for the silver in the garden. These are only $4.99. These are fabulous. We have Bleeding Hearts. That's the gold heart. Leaves are a little more yellow. Gold Creeping Jenny, Red Picotee, Sun Sparkler, Wildfire Sedum. These are wonderful in the garden because of the color they change to. They actually look like that. Then we have City and Coral Bells, a nice deep dark purple, almost black. Medusa flowers. Blueberry hosta, kind of cool. More sedums. These are the Super Dazzles. Dead nettle. Ostrich ferns. They look really nice. Nice size. Magic Carpet Time for a filler. Mixed dwarf. Dark Moody Blue. Arctic poppies. More lupins here. Grasses. My Pinastiums, which I want 2 more. I should never come here because I just get into trouble. But I really like this Bejeweled Rose rhinestones. And you can see we already seen some buds on them. Can't wait till they open. We have all sorts of tuts. This is the baby tut here. Some people really like the baby tut. It's very light and airy. We have Twisted Arrow Grass. And over here, we have the Full Sun Diplodenia. Really nice. So lots and lots of stuff here. Go back over here. Blackbeard, Beard's Tongue Pinastium. More of the toffee. White Obedience plant. These are hard to find, and so you can find them here. And I bet you they're about $15.99 a container. And a ton of geraniums, Gerber daisies, more fuchsias. We're seeing here, and just pretty much your run-of-the-mill what you see at any greenhouse kind of grasses. Let's go over here. Lantanas. They're getting picked over very fast here. They go fast too. It's busy today actually. Super Bell's White. Super Bell's Pink Lemonade. That's beautiful. And then some really nice verbenas here. I am just loving the purple. When I was here last time, they had some pink. Looks like all they have left is some of the purple, and they're $4.85. So I think I'm going to take a couple of them because they're disappearing fast. You know, I can always find a reason to get plants, you guys. I'm just going to take 2 for an arrangement. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? They did have pink when I was here the other day, and I don't see it now. We'll just run around to the other side. And then they have standard hydrangeas here. I think these are like 50 bucks, 40 bucks, $39.99. And there's some containers over here. More of the same. Some Wedgwoods, just some different vines. Not much lantana left, but there is the Little Lucky White left here. And then we have the Blood Orange, which is a really popular one. And of course, this is a really nice one. This is the Color Blaze Royal Pineapple brandy. I like the shades of the colors on this for a coleus. It is way too cold right now to plant coleus here in Saskatchewan. We're going down to 2 at night, and only your toughest plants can handle it. More petunias, pansies, celosa. You have your snowstorm here. Super bells. Super bells. Campfire flame. And more plants. We'll just whip around and you can see all the wave petunias here. All sorts of colors. I really like these. And look at these ones this year. We have green. Now these are super cool. Look at that. Very neat. Love them. These are the, if you're looking for these, pistachio cream ray petunia. Neat-o. If you were doing an all white arrangement, I would put those in the container because I think they'd be gorgeous. All right, and that's it for today. And I will post this. There's probably another video coming.